While attempting to use or play with my LIONEL post-war coal elevator, I realized the buckets weren't picking up the coal here in the bin, and the chain was jammed, and I couldn't understand why. So then when I took a closer look at it, I realized the entire corner has broken off, and that's what holds these two gears in place. These two right here. So somehow, here's the broken piece. And I know just plain glue is not going to work. So I got to come up with a better idea. Okay, I'll be back. Well, I think the first thing I'm going to do is use my good old tester's glue to start it off. And glue this seam, glue that back in place. And then we'll try and reinforce that so it doesn't break again. Okay, so I liberally glued that with some tester's glue. I should probably put a little bit on the other side as well. Not much of this, you don't need much of this. This is the start. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I have some black electrical tape here, and we'll see if I can make this not as noticeable as possible. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, now that the corner repair is done with glue and black duct tape, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, you really got to look at it. It's definitely not a collectible item, but hopefully I've restored its functionality. So let's see. Let's see if the little buckets pick up the coal. There you go. Okay, so the next thing this does is when you pull the proper car around back, which I'm not going to do right now, I'm just going to demonstrate the accessory. See if I can bend over this way to see the back of it. And there's the chute. I think I got it. That's the idea. The chute lets out. I'm sure when there's more in there, more will come out. But that's it. That's my repair for today. My DIY fixed a broken corner of the coal elevator repair. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and most important, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks very much for watching.